This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set time in Audi Q5 Easy Guide. Turn the ignition to accessory or start the engine, then press menu on the MMI console to access settings. Navigate to clock settings using the controller knob and push to select. Use the rotary wheel to change hours, then press again to move to minutes and adjust. Confirm the time, exit the menu, and verify the display shows the correct time. If you prefer steering wheel controls, approach this while parked for safety and clarity. Press the View or Menu button to display the instrument cluster options, then use the arrow keys to highlight settings. Select time and date, then adjust hours first using the up and down arrows, followed by minutes. Confirm the changes with the OK button, glance at the central clock to verify accuracy, and resume driving with the correct time displayed. Quick pause. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car guides. Quick recommendation, on another note, grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresher smelling cabin and a nicer driving vibe. It pairs surprisingly well with small interior fixes. Check the description for the product link and other deals to save time shopping. Now let's get back to the video. For a thorough approach, access car settings from the MMI home screen while stationary. Choose system or time and date depending on your software layout, then select clock or set time to enter the adjustment interface. Use the rotary controller to change hours and minutes precisely. Remember to match AM or PM if applicable, and confirm by selecting Save or OK. Finally, glance at both the infotainment and instrument displays to ensure they match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.